Happy Mother's Day to amazing mothers out there, and yes, to a mom like me. Being a mother is not an easy. There are silent sacrifices, worries, sleepless nights, and the love that never ends. Yet, through all the tiredness and the challenges, we continue to stand strong for the sake of our children and the family. Today, as we celebrate the Mother's Day, we continue to love our family, to keep smiling even if we are exhausted, and keep on praying if even we feel heavy and hard for our family. And to the family, the mothers out there, we must appreciate, valued, and deeply loved. And happy Mother's Day to all of us. And children, let your mother arise and call them blessed. Good morning, happy Sunday, and blessed. Enjoy the celebration of the Mother's Day. And sorry, guys, and thank you so much for my children who never forget to greet me. Happy Mother's Day. And to all my nephews and nieces, and to my sisters and friends, thank you. Happy Mother's to all of us.